Okay, let me share my screen. The screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So what we discussed in last class? I think it's flipped on loft and some pattern features. Yes. So today we'll see a powerful tool which is called Hole Wizard. Okay. So how many types of holes are there? Can anyone explain me? Means uh, you know or not? I don't know. You just explain the name of holes if you are using.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please let me in. Actually, I am joining from the mobile. So,
Okay. So is there any problem?
no, sir, actually, I am now joined from the laptop and I am requesting from the mobile. So, you please accept my request.
I already accept. No, it's not showing here for accepting.
Okay, sir, then there is a technical
Already
glitch.
accepted. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Good
So
English.
please, sorry. So please tell me, how many types of holes you know? You know or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How many types of holes are there? Holes. You know about holes?
Yes, sir. We know what is a hole.
Okay. So in our engineering field, engineering term, there are many types of standard holes are there. You already use that. Can you explain me? Means give the name. You know what you know.
So there is a complete hole, right? Means
Complete hole.
the hole from which we can look both sides.
Okay, that is a through hole.
Right, right. Through hole. Then
Okay.
there is the
Blind hole.
drill. There is some drill options.
Which option?
Drill. Like
Drill.
steppings.
That is
Step.
called counter bore,
Yeah, yeah,
counter sink, counter sunk,
yeah.
blind hole, simple hole. So there are many more types of holes are there. According to the standard, according to the sizes, the holes are varies. Okay. So here we are see the things in a single tool, in a single options. We are using the variety types of sizes, variety types of shapes with the variety standards. Okay. So this is the options here. We got the whole wizard option. Okay. See, if you have a solid body, already you have a solid body and you apply it, you want to apply a hole on that body. So you have to click here. Okay. So the whole specification tab is opened here. See, in this tab we got the many more hole types, hole standards, and hole sizes, and the varieties parameters with the position where you want to place the hole. We got here. Okay. As per our requirement, as per our uh, standard, we have to define the holes here. Okay. So see, first thing is this one: counter bore, counter sink, simple hole, threaded hole. So these are the hole types. What you want to use here? These are the thread types. Oh, sorry, hole types are here. Okay, and this is the standard. In which standard you want to do the holes? Okay, like ANSI, ISO, DIN. Okay, these are the standards, and these are the types of holes, like hexagon type of hole. It depends upon the standards only. If I select here ISO, the type of holes is changed. Okay, if I select here, see, these are the varieties according to the standard. It will be varies. Okay, now we are go for the sizes. What will be the our whole size, like M10, M12, M20. It's depend upon our whole size. Okay, then this is the feet. Feet means in which feet we want to do the hole. You already know the feet. Okay, close feet, normal feet, loose feet, and here we can define the parameters of our whole particular whole. We can define the step parameters and the diameters. Okay, and we can define the end condition in here. If we want the hole is up to some depth, we can select here blind. If we want the hole is totally complete, like through, we can select here through all. According to that, we can select here the end condition of our hole. Okay, some extra parameters are there. Okay, here we can put the head clearance and under head counters. If it is necessary, then we can check on it, use it. Okay, so see how to apply a hole on a body, on a solid body. So I just select a hole type like counter bore. Okay, I just select a standard like ISO and select a type like hexagon, anything. You just select here and select a hole size here, M12. So now I just place the hole on the body by using the position tab. Here two tabs are got, like type and position. Type means you define the hole types, hole parameters over the tab, and in position tab we can define the position over the body, over the solid body. Okay, select the place here. In this space where you want to place the hole. Okay, I just place the hole in center. Click here. Okay, I just rotate the C. My preview is showing here. Okay, this is our preview of hole. Okay, if you want to change the hole size, hole depth, then we can also change now. Okay, like I just change it M16. See, if we want to change it manual method, we can put here also the dimension. Okay, like the counter bore step height, we just put here 20. See, the things are changed. If I want it in blind, see, blind, I just put here 30. See, it's up to this much. If I just change the diameter of counter bore 35, and this one is 30 or 22. Okay, now click on OK here. See, this is the whole type. I just make it half section. See, This is the hole. Okay. If I put the two, then it's the angle will not come. Okay, I just edit it. See here. If I put it in do all, okay. See, it will automatically updated. Okay. If I change something else type of holes, we can change here also, like a simple hole. See, simple hole means it's a like a cut only, a hole cut according to the diameter. See, drill size, dual holes, tap drills. These are the things we can define here. Click on OK. See, this is a very powerful tool in this SolidWorks a whole widget. By using this whole widget, we can make the different type of holes in a easy manner. Okay, within a short time, we can define the holes. Like in our exercises, in our drawings, there are many more hole types are there. Many more threaded holes are there. So we can define the holes directly from the here. Okay. Now see the things. We just define the thread straight tab. Okay. Select this one. I just tab hole. Define the hole size here. M14 into 1.5 with thread position like here. We can define the dimension also here for constant the holes vertically and horizontally. Now the hole is constant over here. Click on OK. See from the top view, we just see the thread here. See, this is the threaded. From the front side view, we can also the threads. If I make it, see, there's a difference in between threaded hole and the simple hole. Threaded holes, in threaded holes we can got the extra edge here. Okay, the thread. Oh, another thing is there.
So can you show again the definition of threading? How to
Yeah,
define
yeah.
the thread?
It's nothing but just selection the types of holes here. See, this is the threaded holes. Thread tab. See, select here and define the standards what you want. Then define the type of hole. If there is a needed of bottom tab hole, you can select your bottom tab hole. Then define the hole type here, means hole size. What kind of diameter you have, you can select here, like M16. Then see, in here we just see the things like a threaded things means here we can define the cosmetic threads. Why I select why I choose this? I just uh, define it. After that, you can select also this one, but I select this one for I just showing the thread. Okay, you just select here the thread option, thread type of holes, and define the standards parameters. Then define the in option, then define the cosmetic thread. Okay, now click on OK. See, go to setting here. We can visualize the thread here. Uh, Here we can just check on a option to see the thread. Just a second. Hmm, Just have to enable a so see here. This is the option. Just go to detailing. Here the option is unchecked. Okay, shaded cosmetic thread. That's why the things like the thread is not showing in over the uh, circular face. Okay. Now I just on that. Go to setting, document properties, detailing. You just check on it. Okay. You just check on it. Click on OK. See, it's only visualize the thread. Okay. I just make it half section so you can see it by see. We can visualize the thread. Only visualization. It's only graphic. Okay. A graphical representation only. If we uncheck that or it's unchecked, then it's not showing. If it unchecked, then it's not showing the or not visualizing the threads over here. Okay. If you want to visualize your thread over the whole, then you can just on the options from the settings. Okay. You just go to setting here and click on document properties tab, select the detailing, and you can select the shaded cosmetic thread. It means that we can visualize our thread over the whole in our features. Okay. only visualization purpose we can use the options.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to inform you that some network issue is there. Okay. So we'll start. Okay. Again, we'll see the things. Screen is visible or not?
It's visible, sir.
Okay, you got the whole option now.
Yes, sir.
In whole user there are many more types of holes. You just use the whole types. Okay. If there is any issue, then you can ask. Many more types, many more standards and sizes you got here. Okay. You just use
Sir,
like
before
count.
that, please make our license activate, sir.
Okay. 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 I will talk to our team and I will resolve your issue. Okay. Okay, next thing is draft. We'll see the draft option here. I'll take a new file. I just make a solid body. Midland 40, 50. I have a body over here. I just go to draft. Okay, see here it's ask about that neutral plane and this is your SS2 draft. Okay, I just select here. This is our neutral plane. This is our SS2 draft. Neutral plane SS2 draft is and this with 10 degree. Click on OK here. See. Okay. Again, I'll show you. You just have to select a basic plane which is constant about the draft faces. Go to the option here. It's asked about first is neutral plane means base which plane the another faces will be draft. Okay. So this is my base plane means this one is my constant plane. Okay. See this face is my constant. Okay. See the direction over here also. Okay. Then select the faces to be draft. So in these two phases, you just have to remember one thing: the phases are interconnected with each other. Means you have to select the neutral plane. This one means this plane or this phase is connected to the another, which is will be drafted like this phase. This is connected to this phase. This one, this, and this. Because the both sides are connected to this neutral plane. Okay. Now go for OK here and put the angle what you want, draft angle. Click on OK here. See, if I change the direction over here, see, if I define the direction opposite side, click on OK. See, got the changes?
It's actually anti-clockwise, right? Then
Yes,
after
yes.
clicking that, it is writing clockwise.
Yeah, exactly. If you choose the direction downside, the draft will be uh, uh, explained. Or if you
Sir,
choose the
sir,
yes.
we did draft earlier, so we selected the two faces actually, the bottom and the top one, and we did draft like that. So what is the difference between these two? In earlier class, I am talking about earlier class, sir.
Earlier means in in the different software.
No, no, no. The same software. You only, I guess, showed it drafting there. So what we did was we selected the base plane and we
Okay.
selected the top plane. And in that draft, what happened? We didn't give any angle, but just we gave the distance or something like that.
No, that is in actually that is available in the some features like extrude features, revolve feature. The
Oh,
draft
okay, okay. I got it. I got it.
yes, the draft feature is there, but it is a different option, different feature. Okay, it's apart from the extrude, revolve or swept. It's totally different. We can separately define here the faces to draft according to the angle parameter. To draft here, select the face, select And the angle here 25. Okay, like this. You have to use the draft. If you have a draft angle, then you can use the draft option. Otherwise, we cannot provide draft over a body. If you have a draft angle in your drawing or in your some data, then you can put the draft. Otherwise, we cannot provide the draft. Without any angle, we cannot assume the draft. Okay. Next thing we will see about intersect. Okay. Intersect, it means what? If we have two solid bodies which is not merged to each other, we can cut some feature from that bodies. But the condition is the both are the each bodies are connected to each other. Okay, like if I have a body here, a solid body, a rectangular features over here. Again, I just create a like I just create a body here, like a see. Whenever you just create another body, here you got a option merge result. It means what? The two bodies are got a single body. If it is checked on, if I check it off, click on OK. This one and this one is different. Okay. In this case, we can apply the intersect. Go to intersect here. Select this one. This one is different body, and this one is a different body. Okay. Click here intersect. So from these total things, which one you want to keep or which one you want to delete? See, this one and this one. I just want to delete it. Here, we can also undo these things by selecting. Click on OK. Now click on OK here. The features could not be completed. Failed to mode body. Okay. See, I just give you another example, which is easy to. On this top lane, I just make a circle here. Extrude. Here I just checked it out. Click on OK. So this is my two bodies here. I just go to intersect. Sorry, intersect. Select this one and this one. Okay. Click here intersect. Then which one you want to keep or which one you want to delete, you can select here. See, see. This is the use of intersect here. But the condition is the both bodies are unmerged and it is related or connected to each other. Then it's applicable. The option is applicable. Otherwise, we cannot apply the intersect. If it is already merged, see. If I just use the merge option here, see. I just check it on. Click on OK. Now go for the intersect. When I select the bodies, the whole total things are selected because the circular feature is already merged with the rectangular features. That's why we cannot go for the intersect because we don't have two different bodies. Okay, if we have two different bodies, then we can go for the intersect, and it's basically used in some like knuckle joint. In that case, we can. This is an example. In variety cases, we can use the intersect for make the design uh, make the design so simple and so easier. Okay. In that just a second. In our PDF, there is knuckles and drainage. Okay. See here. In this design, we can use the intersect options here. By using intersect, we can make a single body, and by using the intersect, we can save it in both different bodies. I will show you a example here. I just make a fork end. Okay, I just make this fork end, and I just use the what intersect option. By using intersect option, we can make the fork end. How can we easily make it? You just see here. Okay, fork end I and C. How can we make it easily through the intersect? I just make a sketch, this sketch, and this sketch. Okay, this sketch up to in top plane. I just make this one and make it extrude up to this 18, 20, 18. Okay, and in front plane, I just make this sketch and extrude up to 50. So now see the design, how we can make it and how we use the intersect option over here. I just show you here. First, I just make this sketch over the top plane. Okay. We have two circles over here, like diameter 50 and 25, and we have rectangle, like the width of the rectangle is 28. See, 28 over here, 28 over square. Okay. Okay. Go to top plane, make a sketch having two circles, which is one is diameter 50, 25. Distance 105. Eight. This with this make it horizontal, and we have here fillet like 32. I just trim it. I just create a center line over here or make it symmetric. This point and this point with this symmetric. Okay. Now I do have a fillet about 32. This one and this one. Click on OK. So this much I have in the front top plane. It will extrude it up to 18 plus 28 plus 18. Okay. I just go for exit here. Exit, go for extrude from middle plane. 18 plus 28 plus 18. Okay. Next, in front plane, I just make the sketch. This sketch. Make a rectangle. Uh, make a corner rectangle. Which is 55. Make it trim. This one is 18. Okay, this is my sketch. Now I go for the extrude here. On the mid plane. Okay. Go for mod result of because we are using the intersect option here. Okay. It's the distance up to on you because we will intersect the uh, unnecessary part. Go for mod result of. Click on OK. So this is my body, total body. I go for the intersect. Select the body here. This one and this one. Go for intersects. Then which one you need not over here? You just select like this and this, this, this middle one, this one, and this one. See, this is my body. Go for OK. This is my part actually. This is the arc end. This is the use of intersect. We just make the two sketch on two planes on different two planes which is not merged and which is connected to each other. Okay, then we can use the intersect option to get the exact model or exact design from our solid model. Okay, so in this uh, back face we just have a circle about diameter 25. We can make it by manual and we can go for the extrude. How much it wants you can define here, like this is the model of arc end. Okay, this is the use of intersect option over a model. So see how to apply some colors on the faces on the on or a solid body. If I have a solid body here, click. See you got here the appearance options from your layout toolbar. Just click here, expand, and you just got the faces. Like which face you select. If you have to particularly define the color in a particular face, you have to select a face and go over here, see face or intersected bodies or total body or part. Okay, part I just want to define in my part. So here we just got some appearances, some plastics in textures like metallic texture. See, or in metal also we can define like steel. See, this is the only color we just applied here. We did not apply the materials. Okay, see, brass. Click on OK. If we want to change only the faces, select here. Go for here only face. We just want to change the face color over here, like in aluminium or rubber. See, okay, clear how to apply the colors over here. So how to apply the materials over a solid body? You just go for here. See, in your picture when the tree you got the material which is not specified, because we did not have to we don't have to apply any material for the solid body till now. When you applied here, you just click and right click over here, edit material. Okay, go for edit material here. You got a tab like material tab. Here you got many more types of materials like steels, irons, aluminum, copper, plastics, whatever you want, rubbers, woods. Okay, so here you just select the material types. Like I just want steel here. From steel, I want this one. So see, this is the material parameters like what the yield strength, HRC. These are the material types of things. We just go to apply over here. Apply. See, the material is already applied here. Then go for close.
Hello.
Yes, what about Ritankar?
So Ritankar is actually busy in some work. He is doing some important work and he is also facing some problems. So he is not here. He just called me.
Okay, okay. Okay, you saw this model when I did it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw this model when you were describing about it, but when you start actually making it an extrude base, then I was not there.
Okay. I just use here intersect option because of I got that exact model from the two different bodies. Okay, I just again show you. So this is my two bodies here. Okay, this is a single body, this is a single body. Okay, so the two bodies are different, which is not merged and which is interconnected with each other. Okay, I just go for intersect here and select two bodies over here. Okay, go for intersect, and which one you need not over here, you just select. Like I just don't want this and this. You just select over here, which is you did not want over your model. You just select only and click on OK. So this is my whole model. Like that, I just like the way I just use the intersect options over our drawing. Okay. So from the model from the solid body means if you have a solid body, how you applied some materials over the body. You just see here. If I don't have any materials, like see in our feature manager tree, you just got a material options, like material not specified means in this body we don't have any materials over here. If you want to add some material, go to select your material, right click and edit material. Okay, go for edit material here, and we got a material tab over here. Different types of materials over here, like steels, irons, aluminiums, copper, woods, rubbers, like many more types of materials are there. You just select the materials as per your requirement, as per the materials you defining over the drawings. As like I just select here woods and select a simple material over here. Anyone. See, this is the parameters of your materials, like the modules, the shear modules, mass, density. These are the parameters. Here we can change the unit also. Go for apply, close. See, the material is applied. See, the material in material name, we got the material name here. Also, you can edit the material here. As like I just want some steel material over here. Explain it. This one. Click here, apply, close. See, like that we can apply the materials. Also, we can remove the material over here. If you want to remove, you just select your right click, go for remove material. If you want to remove the materials, okay. Otherwise, we can put the material over the solid body. Clear how to apply the materials?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, we can apply some colors over the body. If you have some colors on the particular faces over the body, we can select the face, go for here appearance. See, we got some face, intersect body part. Like I just put some color on the particular face which is I selected. Click here face and define the colors. Which color you want to put? See, okay. Which one you want? Click on OK. Here, click on OK. See, only the particular face color was changed. Clear. If you want to remove the color, same thing. You just click here, right click. Sorry, click. Go for here. Here you got the cross type of options. You can remove the colors. See, like this, you can use the options like intersect and some materials you can add it if you want. Okay. Sorry. So these are the things today we had the discussion about the whole user. This is a most powerful tools you have to use. Before that, I just have to discuss with our uh, running team about your software installation problem. Okay, you
Yes,
have
sir. Because
to.
without software we can't practice.
Yes, yes, yes. As we discussed with Amit ji, he said that we already give the software to your Bimal sir, I think. He already linked up your software. He already got the linked up your setup file to download the software.
Yes, yes, sir. He told me that he got the link. He also installed it, but
Yes,
he was also facing the same issues that me, Ritankar, are facing. So what he did is he installed the cracked file on his laptop, and he did the same thing. So we asked Bimal sir about when we are facing the same problem about the cracked file, so
listen,
that we do
listen.
not need.
Why he installed the crack file? Because we already provide
Because
the link.
yes, because these he was facing the same problem. He was also having, the trial version. So what he did is actually he does a lot of practice on in SolidWorks. So what he did, he got the crack file so that he do not need to get updates of the new one.
Okay. Okay, I will discuss with our team and by today only I will keep the update in our group. Okay, what
Yes,
to
sir.
do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is any new link, if we have to create, then we can share the link over the uh, group. You can download the whole software. Okay,
Okay, sir. What when we will get the recording of today's class?
you will got the recording by 5 o'clock. Okay,
Sure, sir. Okay.
okay, fine then. So you already you don't have software now.
No, sir. My software is also over, sir.
Okay. Okay, give me some time. I will discuss with our team. Okay, I
Okay,
will
sir.
update my group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So our class is over, right?
Yes, yes. I will update my group. Okay, as soon as possible. What to do or how to do, I just update it. Okay.
Sure, sir. Then can I leave the
Okay,
class, sir?
Bimal sir is
Yes, sir.
in our group.
No, no, sir. Bimol sir is not that, sir. Bimol sir is one of the sirs of our previous batch. The previous
Okay,
batch of Ilmax, sir.
okay, okay. You do have his number.
No, sir. He actually calls me in WhatsApp, but I don't have his number right now because I changed my phone.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, from previous pages
So,
you
sir,
have.
is it? Are you sure? Are you going to call him and ask him about these things? Because he personally told me about this fact. So I don't think
No, no.
we
I
need to
just ask
discuss about.
about. I just ask about to that means that link is workable or not actually.
Okay,
I
okay, okay,
just
okay. You can ask. You can ask that, sir.
yes, yes. But I don't have that number. That's why I ask.
Yeah, yeah. I am also having the same problem. I don't have his number, sir.
If some previous batches, if you have any number, some
No, sir.
students.
Previous batches I only knew Bimol sir, so that I talked to with him. And from this batch I know Navankush sir and Drupad sir, who are a bit busy because our college is going to reopen and there is some
Okay.
uh,
Okay,
work.
fine, fine. And I will discuss with team and I will update it. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Hello. Hello.